How to detect player touching different terrain materials. We have water, grass, and cracked lava painted right on this baseplate. So, how do we detect if the player touches either one of these? First, insert a local script inside the starter character scripts. Why a local script? Because only local script can detect the change of humanoid's floor material. First of all, we get the humanoid. Local h1 is a humanoid equals script.parent. When we say script.parent, we are directly accessing the character from this location, since this script will be placed directly inside the character itself. So, script.parent : wait for child humanoid. Next, h1, which is humanoid, get property change signal, floor material, connect function. If h1.floorMaterial equal enum.material. Cracked lava, which means if the humanoid touches or standing on lava. Let's set the humanoid's health equals 0. Now if the character touches the lava material, it get destroyed. Else if floor material equals grass, let's print player touched grass. Else if floor material equals water, let's print player is in water. This won't work because the script for some reason doesn't detect if a player touched the water. If we play test and touch the water, it won't print that the player is in water, so this way is not plausible for detecting player touching water. To detect player touching water, we can use the humanoid state. Humanoid.state changed, connect function. Old state, new state as arguments. We need the new state. If new state equals enum.humanoid_state_type.swimming, then print player is in water. And that's how you detect if the player touches the water. So, now, if we touch the lava, player is destroyed. If we touch the grass, the script will print player touched the grass. And, finally, if we touch water, it prints player is in water. And that's how you detect player touching different terrain materials. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful in some way or form, please consider giving a like for this video. Thank you very much.